Morning guys, in this tutorial I have explained HR round frequently asked question in IT company. So let's begin. The first question is tell me something about yourself. So it is one of the first question for standard open to know more about the candidate. It is asked to check the communication skills and self-awareness of the candidate. It's the change of the for the candidates to leave the first impression. So candidates have to start with the following. Start with your name and current profile, academic records, work experience and achievements. So move to next question. What have you done after graduation and post graduation? This question is usually asked when you have a gap in your resume. It may be after your degree or after your any job to know that you were doing. If you if your resume has such a gap, accept it and be intelligent to honest to answer it positively. You may mention the reason like learning new sets of skills to be more suitable for the profile, mental or health issue, looking for a job. If you have any employment gap, then try to reduce the small gaps. For longer interval, mention it as your own job or business. Take time to relax and return with the full enthusiasm again. The next question is what are your skills? Do you have any certification or what? This question is asked to know more about the core skills you will provide to the companies first. It depends on the role. If you are appearing for any technical position, the interview interested in programming skills like C, C++, Java, Python. If you are for a finance role, the interview is interested in which courses you have to take such as commerce like a BCom, MBA, BBA, BA economics. Move to next question. Tell us about your previous organization and your roles. The interviewer want to know more about your job profile in your previous and current organization. The preview will try to judge your tone and attitude. Through these questions, you have to approach these questions satisfactorily. Whether you have a good or bad experience with your previous organization, you can approach these questions. I had a great learning experience and improved my skills to work on it. As it was my first job, I learned how to work or corporate industry and big work-life balance. So next question. What are your weakness and strengths? Mostly this question is again asked to more about what you have gained from the past experience. So first talk about your strength. Honest, creative, flexible to learn new things and focused. And weakness is competitive, introvert, self-critical and financial literacy. Next question is are you willing to relocate? This question is asked to know whether you are available to come the official if you are residing far from the office. TCS has centered almost everything and in some state it has more than one center, so it is not difficult to go to into get into it. Where some of the however some of the offices are have particular vacancies for specific job profiles. It's depending upon your situation. Your answer the question. If you are willing to work across the pan India, if you are interested in the role but unable to relocate it. So next question is what is your salary expectation? This is one of the straightforward question after HR round and quite tricky for quite tricky for candidates whether they are faster and experienced. To answer this question, put your answer in the range based on your previous salary or based on research. Be open or flexible to other compensation option. avoid giving any fixed number. The next question is, what do you know about TCS? This question asks whether you know about the company and its principal value, and whether you are interested in the company. You can approach this question in the following way. First is, before the interview, I checked the website of TCS and I found an MNC serving across the world, part of the prestigious Tata Groups, providing service across more than difficult different industries. I work in analytics, automation, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and other fields like banking sector and stock market. So next question is, what do you want to join TCS? Leading, this answer is giving the step by step is the leading technology company, ocean of endless learning, work-life balance, job security. Next question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? This is this is one of the question that we see very simple, but it is quite tricky. These type of questions are asked to check whether your future goals are in line with the company goal or not. Outline a career path, discuss your interest in the job, state your goals as a result. What do you expect from the company? This question of this type of question is asked to determine whether the role you are applying for is a good match for your career or not. The interviewer is willing to work with what you want to from the company in terms of environment, growth, and how you will meet your expectation. Do you have any question for me? It's also one of the questions which the candidates ignore during the interview process. It is the best time for the candidate to know more about the company, job profile, work environment, and other benefits which the company offers. So thanks for this watching and giving the time.